Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block downloads in Google Chrome using the Windows Registry Editor. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search menu. Once the search bar appears, type in regedit and click on the Registry Editor application when it shows up in the results. The Registry Editor is a powerful tool that lets you modify system settings at a deep level, so we'll be using it to configure Chrome's download behavior. When the Registry Editor opens, you'll see a folder structure on the left side of the window. Look for the folder named hka_loul_machine and click on it to expand it. This folder contains configuration settings that apply to all users on your computer, which is why we're working here to enforce the download block system-wide. Next, navigate to the software folder within hki_load_machine and click on it to expand this section as well. The software folder contains settings for various programs installed on your system, including web browsers like Chrome. Now, scroll through the list until you find the Policies folder and click on it to select it. This is where system administrators typically configure application policies and restrictions. If you don't see a Policies folder, you may need to create one by right-clicking on Software, hovering over New and clicking Key. Once you have the Policies folder selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. Then hover your mouse over the New option and click on Key from the submenu that appears. This will create a new subfolder within Policies. Name this new folder Google, making sure to use a capital G. This folder will contain all Google-related policies for your system. Press Enter to confirm the name and move to the next step. Now, right-click on the Google folder you just created. Hover over New again and click on Key to create another subfolder. Name this one Chrome with a capital C. This specific folder will hold all the Chrome browser policies we want to enforce. With the Chrome folder selected, right-click on it once more and hover over New. This time, click on DOW 32-bit value from the menu. This creates a registry entry that will control a specific Chrome setting. Name this new value Download Restrictions, making sure there's no space between the words and that both the D and R are capitalized. This exact naming is crucial because Chrome looks for this specific registry entry to determine download permissions. Now, double-click on the Download Restrictions entry you just created to modify it. A small window will appear asking you to enter a value. In the Value Data field, type the number 3 and click OK. This value tells Chrome to block all downloads completely. Different numbers enable different restriction levels, but 3 is the strictest setting that blocks everything. And that's it! You've successfully configured Chrome to block all downloads through the Windows registry. The next time you or anyone else on this computer tries to download something in Chrome, the browser will prevent it automatically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.